Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another round of me trying to improve. Yeah, Angular, and I see I'm missing my timers. So typing timer, programming timer. Okay. Uh, let's go. Both are underscores? Okay. So we got that. This is not running. Okay, so I'll fix it. Oh, come on. It's 5:43. Green numbers, look at that. So, last day we were doing something in here. So, loading. That was Angular, and I'm in Angular. That, and I'm on this guy. And in here. Hey, guy. Bum, bum, bum. And this is probably not running, so I will start up the IntelliJ. I will run it in there in a command prompt. Yeah, that's what I will do. forgot to start this. Maybe that will be enough of the time. What was the thing we were doing? We are looking at this. Intercept into property changes with a setter. Oh, yeah. So this is like when you get from the parent to the child via the add input thingy, then you can use the setter and getter to use shit to like modify it. Yep. So that was that. What is next? Intercept property with ng on changes. Yeah, so that's the another thing, and that is, oh yeah, I don't know how to like map that or how to tell like in the on changes. Where is it? I don't see it. On changes. Here we go. Changes, simple changes. Yeah, it accepts simple changes, and the simple changes has it's like some properties, property name and string, huh? But that was like previous and current, right? Thingy. So first of all, I will run it, and that was ng surf open. That's what we are doing. This thing over here is annoying. Okay, so yeah, this is from yesterday. I want to change that. And that was on the on init. And the on init. Oh, that's entirely done by me, right? We don't need it at all. That was not in the original example at all. That's all me. I'll delete that. And also we don't need this guy. We are not doing that. And then Control Alt O was import, optimize imports. Yes, cool. So this is the original set, and then there will be another thing. Here, so version child component. Input property changes with ng on changes. Detect and act upon changes to input property values with the ng on changes method of the on changes lifecycle hook interface. So that's like alternative to the getters and setters, which we had over there. And I will bring something to drink. It's like trash everywhere. I have maybe like 30 more minutes or so. Till I have to go. Cheers. And the constructor, that's also me. That's not necessary. And now I'm trying to understand this. Well, this is the setter and getter and the on changes. We did the life cycle hooks. Version child component detect changes to major and minor input properties. So we have a minor, major, minor. It's also input like that, but why would we changes prop name? Okay. And this is the parent thing is what? I can have a look in here. And up version parent. Okay, so here is the version. Now we will say the here's changed. Okay, so minor change to that. Huh, interesting. And in the code, it's called up version. Come on, why is it here? Version parent is over there. So this is the, oh fuck, this is the original stuff, right? That's the minor. Here is the buttons, and this is just, yeah, this sets up the properties. And in the thing we have, this is the bindings, right? In the child we have those two fields, and then on changes. Now prop name in changes. Is first change. What is this? Oh, that's something Angular. Simple change, first change, boolean, first change, that returns boolean. It says prop name changed from to. Okay, so here we are logging. We are not changing the value in here at all. Fuck. We are not changing the value at all. And in here, I'm in this block of code. We don't change the value at all. We just log it, right? And it is. We take the changes. A simple changes is this structure which have it is an array. There's a couple of well, there's a simple change and it's like previous, current, and first change. And it's like initial value of that set to this and that. So we should see initial value twice for each, I think, in here. Initial value of major set to 0, minor to 23, and now we have minor changed, major changed. I don't know why the minor is here and the major over there. It's like, it's, you get me, right? That's not what I wanted. Parent, version parent, and we will do this. So I'm satisfied. Now the major is left and the minor. Yeah, I know, stupid, but it makes more sense to me. Doesn't matter in here at all. I know. And in the child, change prop is first change. Then we do that else. We say the prop name from to value 2 is the current value. That is the previous value. And we are using the JSON stringify on that. Sure. Makes sense. That's kind of straightforward, isn't it? Okay, so what do we have here? Here is the parent component. Here's what it looks like. And the minor is on the left. Why? Maybe because they want the users to increase the minor version first and the major second. And here's the test. Maybe I could run the tests too, right? How do I do that? Version child. Do you have the test here at all? He has it in end-to-end tests, right? Is that it? Can I run it from here? I'll try that. Test passed 0. How do I run the tests? Is there a README? What is this? Browser Chrome, Framework Jasmine. More information over there. Holy fuck, I don't even know how to run this shit. Run. That fails. Okay, so it's not easy as that. What is this? What kind of problem could there be? I will open another terminal. I will say, hey, Tanuv, welcome. Hello. I'm here for like more 17 minutes or so. I have just quick session today. How was your stream? I hope it was good. I'm currently trying to figure out how to run my end-to-end tests. Well, not my end-to-end test. It's like in this example, end-to-end tests. That's a good stream. Yeah, I would give you like shout out, but there was no one, I think, before you came. I think I was here alone. Anyways, okay, maybe I could try to run it and see what's the problem. It says cut not update config JSON run with driver, but what? Okay, so I guess I will do this, and that will be npm install. Maybe that will fix my problems. Add 2 packages. Okay. In that case, we will try to run it again. Oh fuck, I did restart the timer. Okay, well, I have 50 minutes or so more to go. And this is the end-to-end spec. Go. No tests were found. Okay, I don't even know how to run protector tests. That's horrible. Setup. New command line and create clean folder for testing. Oh well. So it can only improve, right? Oh, they were not kidding. They really want this, huh? Okay, so I will try that. I did not took them seriously when they wrote like you should run with driver manager update, and they were not kidding at all. They were not kidding at all. Look at that. Okay, so I will try to do the fuck. Okay, I'm pasting something else. So I will take this. Here we go. Now I'll paste it over there. Bum. So that might do something. What if I run it now? Run. Ah, it does shit. Look at that. It does shit. Look at that. Look at that. Bloom, bloom. That's awesome. It failed, but it's awesome. It's probably because I expected. Yeah, because I changed that, right? And that means that their tests are shit because they are clicking the other new minor button. Yeah, do you see that? Take name button get first. That's bad. That's bad, 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 bad. Because then you can just move around the elements and it's fucked up. That's why you don't want to do ever want to do anything like that, right? So there's a repo tag and we should select it not by the tag name, but we should select it by ID. And the ID will be, where's the, there's the parent component. No, it was another parent, version parent. Let's see, it's like this and it has nothing else. Okay, so this is the way, ID, and this will be my jar button, and in here ID will be minor button. Right, then we will go to the tests, which are here, and this will be not by tag name, but it will be by delete inside that. What I use in Cypress is have the specific attribute that needs to be searched since you, yeah, exactly. By ID, and this will be main. How it was? How did I name it? Minor button. Paste like that, and then we don't need this. And the minor button. Where's the major button? And the major button is also, see that that's wrong. I'll change that. Oh fuck. By ID, and I don't remember what it was. Insert like that. So we will go here to the parent. We'll steal that. Young inside. Fucking A. Young inside that. Okay. Paste. And now we can run that shit again, and now it should work. And it does the magic. It does the magic. And one failed. Okay. Cool. So we fixed something. This one is still failing. Why? Oh, it gets one, of course, like maybe we don't even know. We even don't. Yeah, because yeah, that's why. That's why. So I'll run it again. Now it will pass. My bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't fire me, please. No. Okay. And now everything is green and I know how to run tests. Yay. See, I'm professional. Great beginner. Okay, so we know how to do that. We did run the test and well, test must all execute in this exact order. Initial label 1, 2, 3, then avoid get actual. What is get actual? Hold on, it's like it's interesting shit in here. What is happening in here? Parental changes. Okay, and should set expected initial values. What this does? They get actual element by tag name. By tag name, that is up version child. What does it return? It returns label logs. It returns object. It's not typed. Okay, so it takes label UL logs. Actual 5 minutes to go. Do you use it more time or just once? Oh, you do it more time, yeah, sure. You do some shit. Clickety click, get actual. Okay, so this is how it works. Read the shit. This is how what it should be. This is what the log should be. Expect the actual label to be this guy. The log count should be 1, and then actual logs get 0 get text to be that. And the log. Oh, you get all by tag name in li. Interesting. So you take the UL and the logs. Ah, okay. Everything inside of that. Yeah, and everything should be inside of the version tag, and the version tag is like this guy. Okay, I see what you did there. I can see that. And I have to go. So, 3 minutes. Okay. So I kind of understand this test. Should set after major ones. So how do we click? This is my improved version. Then new major button. Repotech. So we did select that button by that, and then we can just call on it click. Really, it's that simple. Okay, cool. Then actual is calling the same thing. Then those are the expected values, and we compare them. And we are looking at a second log in here, okay? And that's it. That's really it. Okay, so that was kind of straightforward. Not bad at all. Parent listens for child event. So that's the event emitter, right? That's the output thingy, yeah. Parent listens for child event. Child component exposes an event emitter property. I have to go. Ugh. Okay, my time come, so I'll stop.